orange tiger. Yellow toucan. A toucan tiger. You put a toucan on top, a tiger below. Put them together and what does it show? A toucan tiger? What a silly animal! Red monkey. Black and white zebra. You put a zebra on top, a monkey below. Put them together and what does it show? A zebra monkey? Now that's a silly animal. Blue seal. Blue seal. Wow! You made a match. Look what you found. You made a match. Hear a seal sound. Good matching. Did you know seals have feet called flippers?
Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You made a match. Look what you found. You made a match. Hear a sound. Monkey, monkey, seal, tiger, toucan, zebra. You put on top, below. Put them together and what does it show? A monkey, a seal, a tiger, a toucan, a zebra.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow! Did you know blue seal, red monkey, orange tiger, black and white zebra, yellow toucan, a seal monkey, a seal tiger, a seal zebra, a seal toucan, a monkey seal, a monkey tiger, a monkey zebra, a monkey toucan, a tiger seal, a tiger monkey, a tiger zebra, a tiger toucan, a zebra seal, a zebra monkey, a zebra tiger, a zebra toucan, a toucan seal, a toucan monkey, a toucan tiger, a toucan zebra. Zebras see very well in the dark. A baby zebra is called a foal. No two zebras have the same stripes. Zebras sleep standing up. A group of monkeys is called a troop. Monkeys can hold things with their hands and feet. Can you do a funky monkey dance? Monkeys peel bananas to eat them, just like you do. A baby tiger is called a cub. Tigers love to swim in the water. Tigers are the biggest cats. A tiger's paw has 5 toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Seals play on land and in the sea. A baby seal is called a pup. Seals have feet called flippers. Seals sing underwater. Toucans love to eat fruit. Do you like fruit too? A toucan's beak is big but light as a feather. Toucans sleep curled up in a feathery ball. Toucans have wings but mainly hop from tree to tree. That's silly. That's so silly. Now that's a silly animal. What a silly animal. Good matching. Yay! Now that's a real animal.